The University of Bamenda Alumni Association, created in 2019 by ex-students of the University of Bamenda, has organized a capacity-building seminar on the theme Empowering Cameroonian Youth for Sustainable Global Leadership. The seminar, which took place at the Amphi 340 on the campus of the University of Bamenda on Wednesday, May 8, 2024, was aimed at empowering the members and students on youth empowerment and leadership.
We thought that for us to have a sustainable future, a better future with very good leaders, dynamic leaders, we need to start today. That is why we had to organize this capacity building workshop to train leaders, which we believe are leaders of today and tomorrow, to give them insight that can permit them to be better leaders tomorrow.
The University of Bamenda Alumni Association has a lot of advantages which members are exposed to.
We are even privileged to have one of us, an alumni who benefited through the alumni to go to Sweden and study a master's program and is back. We are calling on those that have graduated from the University of Bamenda to join our efforts to see how we can give back to our alma mater what they gave to us.
There are a whole lot of things that I got to learn that I never knew about. From what I've heard so far, it's going to help me with alumni. I'll be able to get job opportunities and even further my education more. I will encourage each and every student here in Yuba to join the alumni association here in school because it will help us a lot.
The association, in partnership with Green Globe, planted some trees on the campus of the University of Bamenda.
We have as mission to ensure that we enhance the urban greenery of our area where we live, and that is why in our benevolence we have donated trees to the University of Bamenda, and these trees include my subsets, we have Vitex, we have granifolia, among others. These trees will go a long way to enhance the urban beauty of the university, and it gives an aesthetic which the university has, which other universities don't have.
The association also encouraged young people to get their names on the electoral register with elecam officers present on site.
One of the leadership role is that you should love your country, you should be able to participate in your civil duties, and that is why we have to invite elecam to come and enroll students and our members in the electoral register to arm ourselves properly for leadership tomorrow.
The seminar brought together the divisional officer for Tuba Subdivision, Masango Metuge Nassis, representative of the University of Bamenda, and a host of others, amongst them members and will be members of the association.